Hello and welcome back for my video about my shopping cart in Vuetify. In this video I will show how we can build the basket where you can see all the products before you pay for it. So let's begin. I will start to make all the products so we have the products before we build the design. So let's call it products, and we have a product ID, and we will have an image of the product, and we will have the title and a subtitle, and then of course the price and the quantity. That's our main. So let's go for the hello world where we have the products. Let's copy the photo, and we say this product is it's kitchen 1, and then we need a little bit title here and then the description. And the price on this product is $14.99. So let's say this one, 99. We only need one of those. So let's add 2 more. I need 2 of those and 2 of those. And then we need this product and this product. So 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Now we have the product ready. Let's adding a headline for this. H2 class display 2, and margin and bottom should be on 4. We call it basket. And now I will build a template. First I want to say this is the v list and on 2 lines. And then I build a template. It's meaning I repeat something inside here. And this template should be a v4, and then for product and index in products. And I will build a v-list, and I will bind a binding key. In this case it should be the product ID, and then I use avatar. And when you use avatar, it's trying to make it so low as possible. And then inside this I want a v-list tile avatar, and the same here. And here I want my product photo. So one error has been found. It's index. Okay, I need to bind an index. So let's go down here, and I say I want a divider. That's meaning every time we run this loop, if this not is the last element, I will put a line so we can separate every single product. To this, I want to build it here to be divider. If index plus 1 is lower than item products length, and then I want to say this is the index, and I want to divide. Now it's compiled correct, and I want to go up here to say basket. Now we have 3 products, but we don't have the last one. So let's add the lines now. List trial content. Here we want the HTML should be product title, and then we need one more of those, and it's only need to call subtitle. And it should be done here, yeah. And now we can see the title and the description for the product. The next is we need to see the prices, and we need to illustrate how we can change the quantity if we want this. For this I need a text field, and for the 2 others I need just a vlist tile. So let's continue. Vlist tile, and I need the product price and dollar. Let's see the okay, that's a little bit weird. That's why. Time. Okay, my mistake. I'm in the wrong place. And then I need this. Yes. And then I need the total. Price multiplied product quantity. And between those, I need my input field. This action I want to text field, and I want to say label should be quantity, and it should be reverse. It's meaning I flip the line. Normally it's in the left side, but because it's a number we put inside, I want the text going for the right side. And then I want going for value. The value should be the product quantity, and that's it. Let's see how it's working. Yeah, you can see one of those is this, and yeah, it's working. Let's say we need to informate about you can delete this line. Right now you just need to buy it as it is. So we want to delete button here, and we need a go to payment button here. So we go back here, and say vlist tile action, and I want to v button, and this is a icon, and rebel, and then v icon. Let's delete here, and I need to say the color should be red, it should be a little bit lighter, and then I go out the scope, the loop scope, and say v contain, and inside here I need a v button again, and should be go to paint, and color should be 60, and then I need a launcher and style float right. If everything is running well, then it should work. Yes, and now you have your basket. I can see here basket just spilling around, and then you go. That's how it's working with all this, the element to build a basket in Vuetify. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you want to subscribe my channel. Make a comment below if you have any questions, and I hope you want to like this video and share it with your friends, and of course add it for your playlist. See you next time, and thank you for subscribing.